Have you ever wondered what people in Britain used to eat that has completely disappeared today? Not just old recipes, but foods that were once popular and then suddenly vanished. Some of them failed badly, some were too strange, and others were simply forgotten by time. In this series, we explore 5 disappeared British foods, one in each video. And today, we begin with one of the most unusual dishes in British history. Today's forgotten food is mock turtle soup. Yes, you heard that right. Mock turtle. Back in the 18th and 19th centuries, real turtle soup was considered a luxury dish in Britain. It was expensive and only available to the wealthy, but not everyone could afford real turtle meat. So chefs created a clever alternative, something that could imitate the taste and texture of turtle soup using cheaper ingredients. This is how mock turtle soup was created. Instead of turtle meat, cooks used parts of a calf's head, including the brain, skin, and other organ meats, to recreate a similar texture. It may sound strange today, but at that time it was considered creative and practical. Mock turtle soup quickly became popular, especially among the middle class. It allowed ordinary people to enjoy a dish that felt luxurious without spending too much money. It was served at dinners, special occasions, and even restaurants. The dish became so famous that it appeared in literature, including the classic story Alice in Wonderland, where a character called the mock turtle exists. This shows how deeply the dish was connected to British culture at the time. However, as time passed, people's tastes began to change. Eating habits evolved, and dishes made from unusual animal parts became less appealing to the general public. Concerns about hygiene and modern food standards also played a role. At the same time, food production became more industrialized, and people started preferring simpler and more familiar meals. Slowly, mock turtle soup began to disappear. Restaurants stopped serving it, and newer generations grew up without ever tasting it. Eventually, it became a forgotten part of history. Today, if you tell someone about mock turtle soup, they might feel surprised or even uncomfortable. The idea of recreating turtle soup using animal organs feels unusual in modern times. However, in its era, it was seen as a smart and innovative solution. Some traditional chefs and historians still recreate the dish for educational purposes, but for most people, it remains unknown. So would you ever try mock turtle soup? Was it a clever invention or simply too strange to survive? In Part 2, we will explore another disappeared British food that might surprise you even more. Make sure to follow and stay tuned.